Here's Cedar Point app, so just tap get to install it, and then double click to install. And this is the official app for this entertainment park with right wait times for your favorite rides, an interactive guide map that will help you find the fastest route to any place in the park, easy access to your fun peaks, photos, a complete listing of all the entertaining shows and events, including showtime, so you won't miss a minute of the action. Buy tickets or store your season pass on your phone and receive special offers and discounts. So personalized experience based on your likes and interests. Wayfinding for events with multiple locations. Click on a particular location to view events. Addition of ride status. So just if you like this park, just FYI, they have an app. It's not, of course, that popular app as like Disney or something like that, but definitely you can save some time. You can see shows and events, ride wait times, buy tickets. You can see map, you can see store, like all the season passes, which you can try to buy daily tickets, buy right from the app, fast line, fun peaks, hotels. Of course, you're just redirected to the website, but it's still convenient to do from the app. Then you just have your profile where you can just create your account and then just see all the general FAQ information. So just quite handy app. So give it a try if you're visiting the specific park.